Hi there, it's Adam here at Fordington's, and today I'm showing you around this stunning 2016 Toyota Auris 1.8 VVT-h XL. It's a petrol hybrid. And it's self-charging, finished in grey metallic with the grey alloy wheels. Brilliant spec to this one, front and rear parking sensors, and the reverse camera. Really nice size boot space. Space here to spare wheel underneath there as well. Inside is absolutely immaculate. From what I heard from you, you can tell it's been really well looked after. Full service history, cruise control, Bluetooth, touchscreen with SAT-NAV, heated seats. And you see there it's got the full electric mode, eco mode. Plenty of different options. Really is spot on to drive, superb. And if you'd like to see it for yourself, don't hesitate to get in touch. Thank you very much for watching. I look forward to hearing from you soon. Bye now.